Hey guys, I just finished my first live, well, it was my second live auction actually. I did this once before and I'll do it again so long as they keep inviting me for this because it's a whole lot of fun. I mean, buying a car doesn't have to be boring and intimidating. You can have a little bit of fun doing it, and who knows, if you're good enough, if the climate is right, you might even get an absolute bargain. Something you wouldn't get outside because there's a certain energy and vibe over here that you just can't duplicate in any other format of selling. A live auction is a great way to sort of experience trying to get a bargain, get a little bit of energy behind it. I fully support this because, well, you know what, I'm also very much in the car industry, but I also recognize that traffic is a big issue. So these are cars that are already registered and on the road, so that alleviates that problem as well. You're not adding any more cars that were not there already. These are already pre-owned, so come down if you haven't been to an auction. Come and see us, it's a lot of fun. Hopefully I'll be doing another guest auction and I can see you there. Till then, drive safely, everyone.